We are back with this Ford Mustang. I got this part right here. It came in, which is the transceiver. I realized the part number is actually slightly off. The one I ordered, it says AC at the end, and the cable is a little bit different. So what I did was I just unplugged the cable. I used the old one with the new transceiver. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this can read it. I'm having some issues here with my computer. For some reason it's not reading the VIN number, it's not decoding. I have this small little computer that I keep in the van, and this one was able to read it. So I restarted the computer. Let's see what happens. Hopefully this works. And it does not. What the heck, man? Maybe I need to update this. Okay, it says Mustang and everything. Let's see, hopefully it went through this time. Okay, oh, finally. Theft detected, vehicle immobilized, and then anti-theft number of keys below the minimum, blah, blah, whatever. We'll try to quick erase them again. And then I'll try to see if I can actually program the pads. We'll see. The light is no longer flashing fast like it was before. It sort of stays on, it cycles on and off, and then it goes off, and then it comes back on. But it's not flashing rapidly like the first one was. Okay, I gotta go see if I can program it. So we gotta go to programming. Okay, it's not supported for this vehicle. Hot functions. This car is starting to be a bit of a pain in the butt. Remote or passive. Okay, this will gain us security gateway. We tried this last time. So we'll be back once we're in, and we'd hopefully be able to just program it. Whenever you have to record, making videos is not easy when you have to also focus on actually finding the problem. So here's where we are so far. So after I replaced that, I used the same old harness, but I replaced the actual transceiver. My fault for the transceiver circuit went away. Okay, so the transceiver was definitely faulty. Then after that, it said you need a minimum of 2 keys in order to be able to start the vehicle. Otherwise, it'll be immobilized. The customer actually had ordered a key and ignition for this with 2 keys. And so what I did was I installed the new one, and the car started. I left the key in the ignition for 10 minutes. The car started once, turned it off, it immobilized again. And then so I guess I don't know what exactly caused it to immobilize the second time. Maybe the key. So what I did was right now I just put the other key in the ignition because there's 2 keys. I put it in there. I'm letting it sit in there for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to clear all the fault codes and see if it starts. So this is the key that it starts with. If I put this in there, maybe not. So it's still saying theft. So hold on. If I use the old key, this is the original key. If we put it on there, we're not able to turn the ignition. But if we take this off, and then we put this key, the theft light no longer blinks fast. And it lets us start the car. So I think the problem is the original key would need to go in there and then put the other key, and then it's programmed. What I'm going to do is do exactly that and try to program these new keys to the vehicle. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. The theft light is off. I'm going to turn the ignition all the way off. Same key, and it still blinks. Okay, so now both keys, it does the same thing. And Now if I use the old key, take that out, put this one in, the light doesn't blink. Like now the car will start. If I take it out, put it back in, the car will start 100%. If I use the other key, okay, hold on. So this is the one. I gotta mark this one. I put a line on this one. Actually, I might just take it off of here altogether. So this key does not work. No matter what I do, this one I cannot get it to work. This is the original key I had with the car, with the old ignition. This one no longer works. So if I put that there, I'm not able to turn it. If I put this one, which is the new one for the new ignition, theft light stays on, car starts. So we had a bad transceiver. We needed to cut new keys for this, but since the customer had a new ignition that he ordered, I just put it on there. The customer said he didn't even know he had it. His dad was the one who actually has a whole bunch of parts that he's got laying around here. But the car starts with this key, no problems at all, but it won't start with the other one. And it won't start with that, obviously. Only starts with this one key. We're going to try to program the other key one more time. Okay, we got security access granted. I have that key that was not working before. The light is just staying on. Operation in process. So we'll see what happens if we can get this key to program or not. Regardless, at least we have one key. As long as the car starts with one key, that's my job done. The customer just wanted the car to start. So I'm sure he's going to be fine with one key. But if we can get both, that would be even better. All right, let's see what we got here. So waiting. Looks like this will take a bit. It says 6 seconds up here. If you can see, it says 6 seconds. Definitely been more than 6 seconds. Maybe it takes more than 6 seconds. I don't know. We'll let this sit here and we'll come back whenever. Okay, I backed out of the screen because nothing was happening. But now the light stays on. So let's see. Let me just show you guys. This is the one that I marked. So maybe this needed to be turned off and turned back on. Okay, it started with that. Turn that off. Turn the ignition on, still good. Let's try. This is the other one I had. This one seems good as well. I'll try with the first one. Again, this one. And I think we are good to go. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I just gotta put everything back together, and that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. If you made it to the end of the video, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you at another video. Bye bye for now.